Munansiko Lieutenant General Pecos Kuteesa aziikiddwa olunaku olwaleero mu disitulikiti ya Ntonde ng'ono asiimiddwa olw'emirimu emingi gy'akoledde eggwanga.
Has command bravery and his contribution towards the liberation struggles of this country. He committed his life to a better Uganda and served beyond self to make sure that the generation after him finds a better place.
There are 5 things to celebrate. One is to get the life. Who are we to still be alive? Many of our comrades, you know this song we say, we have lost a friend and many comrades in the struggle. General Onesimus Kuteesa okuruga omuntu akazensi ebyebbi kandi kwesengereza ab'obulungi bwawe